Hello, this is Joan of Art and we're doing a road trip. Let's learn Ilonggo words while on this road trip. And here I am right now at this Optical Illusion Hill on the way to Don Salavador Benedicto. This is the Optical Illusion Hill. It's supposed to be going downhill, and there's that marker that says magnet because it's also called Magnet Hill. Okay, we are applying first gear, but now we're stopping, and this is on neutral, and we are actually moving in reverse, and it's going uphill. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, this is magic. Magnet and magic. So we're not doing anything. The car is moving uphill. There's a scientific explanation explaining this phenomenon, but for now we're just enjoying this kind of experience. The Ilonggo word for downhill is called dulhog. Dulhog is the noun, but dulhog is the downhill direction. Yes, it's an adverb. Padulhog. And the verb or the act of going downhill is nagapadulhog. If it's present tense, nagapadulhog. On the other hand, uphill is called pasaka or saka, meaning going up, saka. And pasaka is also the adverb, and the verb, which is going uphill, is called nagapasaka. Nagapasaka, if it's a present tense, you add the corresponding prefixes. If it's past tense, nagpasaka, nagpadulhog. If it's present tense, nagapasaka, nagapadulhog. Future tense, ma-pasaka, ma-padulhog. I want to do it again. Let's do it again. Okay, this one is going downhill, nagapadulhog. That other car is nagapasaka, going uphill. Okay, let's apply brakes and neutral. And now we're going backwards. By the way, backwards is called isol. Okay, that was isol. Let's go forward again. Let's go forward. Forward means abante. Abante or pakadto. Pakadto is going to. Abante is forward. Abante. Again, another word for isol is atras. Atras has a Spanish root. So isol is more Ilonggo. There's the magnet graffiti marker. Isol or atras is going backwards or on reverse. Isol, atras, atras, atras. This is fun. And stop means pondo. Okay, we have stopped. The word for go is larga. Go! That's all for now. I hope you learned something new at this point at the Optical Illusion Hill here on the way to Don Salavador Benedicto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. Welcome to Don Salavador Benedicto, and we're going up Pasaka. We are going to Rafa Valley. It's 48 kilometers from Bacolod City.